Hey, it's Will. Let's meet social advocate and urban farmer, Duron Chavis. We shared this story in this week's episode of 8 at 4, presented by VCU Health. Check it out.
So my name is Duron Chavis. I am the director of a nonprofit organization called Happily Natural Day. We promote health, culture, and social change through urban farming and urban gardening throughout the Richmond region. Tonight we had the premiere of Black Space Matters Season 2. It's a show that focuses on Black land stewardship. We were able to interview Black farmers from across the region and investigate their reasoning as to how they got into the work and what kind of practices they're implementing in their spaces and what kind of things they feel are important for people to know about urban agriculture, rural agriculture, farming, sustainable agriculture, those different topics. Everybody has to eat. It doesn't matter what your race is, what class you might find yourself in, what education level, sexuality, gender, religion. Like, eating food cuts across every category we might try to define and box ourselves into. And the question becomes, who's growing the food? And how did the food get to your plate? So, for everybody, this is a super important topic. Everybody doesn't have to be a farmer, but everybody needs healthy, nutritious, nutrient-dense, fresh produce. You shouldn't have to be in a neighborhood that doesn't have access to healthy food. So this is a way for us to tap in and, be self-determining and decide for ourselves what kind of foods we're going to have in our community.
Be sure to watch the full episode of 8 at 4, presented by VCU Health, for this story and others by visiting richmond.com/VVN